Italian Mama is here again, and guess what I'm making today? Sausage with peppers, potatoes, and lots of onions. Let's get started. I've been making sausage and peppers for a long time. I make it for my family, I make it for parties. You can make a small tray, a big tray, whatever you want. I have here sausage, sweet sausage, and hot sausage. A lot of people don't use potatoes, but I like to put potatoes in mine. To get started, I have to preheat my oven to 350, and I did that already. And now on my pan. So I don't want my sausage to stick, so sometimes I use a little water in here, and sometimes I just use a drop of oil. This is what I do when I make it for a party. I use about 2.5 pounds of link sausages, sweet sausage and hot sausage, whatever you want. You want all sweet or you want all hot. It's up to you, whatever your family likes. My husband hates hot sausage. It's ready to put in the oven. Here we go. It should take around 30 to 40 minutes. While the sausage is cooking, I'm gonna do my peppers. I have all colors here, as you see. You can use a variety of peppers, or you can use Italian frying peppers. You make sure you cut out the membranes and shake out all the seeds. Now we're ready for the onions. About 1 onion to 1 pepper. You can use more or less. If you don't like onions, use less. I cut them in strips. I never cry so much peeling onions. Oh, they say you can put bread in your mouth. Oh, come on, that big piece of bread. I don't think it's working. Now we're ready to do the potatoes. This is how that I cut them. You can cut them big if you want. I think we're all done. While I was cutting the potatoes, I took out the sausage, and you can see the sausage cooked for 40 minutes. It's all ready. Now I can roast the potatoes in the oven. Increase the oven to 375. We want them to get nice and crispy. You're going to add a little salt and pepper. Now it's time to cook our onions and peppers. We're going to cook them separate. We're going to fry them separate in big frying pans. It took 25 minutes for the onions and about 20 minutes for the peppers. I'm going to cut the sausage, slice it, and then start combining everything together. I like to cut on the angle. See how easy that is? You have 2 more left. You get a lot when you slice it this way. Now we're going to combine everything together. Potatoes are all done, all nice and crispy, and they're ready to be added. I'm just going to add them. It's like shoveling snow. Now I'm going to mix it all together. This is a nice trade for somebody, believe me. A couple loaves of Italian bread and you got it made. You got a maid in the shade. Mmm. Mmm. Che delizia. Mmm. Tutta alla tavola a mangiare. Tutta alla tavola a mangiare. You're invited. Recipe is in the description below, so try it. You don't have to, you can cut it in half. You can make 2 onions, one lick of sausage. You don't have to make this big. Make it for you, for yourself, for your husband, for a child. Whatever you want. Leave a comment below and let me know if you try it. Thank you for watching Italian Mama, and don't forget to subscribe. Love you all. See you again. Love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye. What can I give my Andy girl?
Wow.
Andy girl, it's hot.